Hello, it's Angelo Pucci and welcome to our newest listing at 940 Mink Street in the sought-after West Shore. With minutes to Frenchman's Bay and minutes to school, this home is ideal. But to tell you more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim?
Yes, Angelo?
Are you ready?
For sure.
Let's take it away.
A premium-sized corner property situated within Pickering's desirable West Shore neighborhood. Welcome to 940 Mink Street. This home features driveway parking for 4 vehicles, a gated entry from the south side of the property into the backyard and its patio area, as well as another patio area by the main entrance. A 4-level side split immaculately maintained by the original owner, the ceramic tiled foyer opens into an open-themed main level where oak hardwood flooring gleams in the entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms. The dining room features a lovely vintage chandelier, while its east-facing window, as well as the oversized west-facing picture window in the living room, flood natural light into these spaces. Their L-shaped layout allows for a wonderful ease of flow, and both rooms have direct access into the kitchen. The kitchen offers a bright workspace with ample cabinetry storage and features a stainless steel double sink below an east-facing window, ceramic tiled floor and backsplash, fridge and stove, as well as a cozy breakfast area. The steps to the upper level are finished with oak hardwood treads and a handrail, with oak hardwood flooring flowing throughout the hall and into the 3 bedrooms, which are quite spacious and enjoy abundant natural lighting. A linen closet is located across from the 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, a water closet, as well as a vanity with an elegant drop-in basin. And both the second and third bedrooms have double closets, while the master bedroom features his and her double closets as well as a ceiling fan. The kitchen's ceramic flooring is continued into a rear foyer space, which provides a separate entry from the backyard to this home's lower and basement levels and their living spaces. The lower level has easy care vinyl flooring throughout much of its space, while ceramic flooring is found in the bright and elegantly finished 2-piece washroom. This level additionally features a double closet, a bonus room ideal as a bedroom or home office, as well as a huge family recreation room with paneled walls. And there are also oversized windows and wood finishes throughout this level. This home is complete with a basement level featuring a storage room, a laundry room with storage space, as well as a large recreation area with a mirrored accent wall behind its wet bar. Just steps to highly rated Frenchman's Bay Public School, this home is also just a short walk to public transit, waterfront parks, as well as the waterfront trail, while the West Shore Community Center, the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and access to Highway 401 are all just short drives away.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As you've seen, this home is meticulously maintained by the original owner. We'd love to show it to you to make it your home. Give us a call, 416-627-4610. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at AngeloPucci_real estate. Thank you.